Okay, he just did it.
He did?
Yeah.
I'm going to cut you off. I'm going to do a cowboy shot
Yeah.
of you.
Alright, you ready? Who's next? He landed on my hand. Come on. Good job. Alright, couple more. Who's next? Coming back? You can't fit that in your mouth. He had so much in his mouth. What happened?
Crapped on.
Again?
I think so.
They like crapping on you. Anybody else? I don't see anybody else. Alright, I think that's it. I'm eating that one, guys. Okay. Oh, here comes more. You still shooting?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come on. Let him meet. I've got it right here. Good job. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Come on. You guys are such brave little birds. Come on, one more. There's one right above you. Oh, you're coming back for more. They stash the crumbs up in the tree and come back and get more. They're smart birds, too. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Oh, be brave. Come on. That one's scared.
He flew right at me.
I know. Come on, you've almost had it. Come on. Oh, I hear more people. Hikers.
Yep.
Come on. This one's just a scaredy cat. Or something. Okay. Come on. You can do it.
He thinks I have the
Thinking
food.
you have it. Alright, that's probably enough video.
Say something funny.
I probably shouldn't eat out of this can anymore.